World has become a global village. Sometimes we come across a data that is in another language. You have the ability to do the required task. You have the technicalities, but only if you could translate it. If it is a small file, you can use the Google Translate or some other things. Then there are some online tools that you can use. You can just copy your text in other language and you can paste it there and just translate it. But if the file is big, then we are stuck. We cannot just keep copy pasting the entire data. It will take a lot of time. In this video we will cover, if we have a large file, how to translate it for free. Some free online tools that we can use to translate. And lastly, the most basic tool that is used for translating, Google Translate. Evident from my channel's name, Paid Project Management and AI. But most of the videos in this playlist will come in handy for any professional in any field. So please like the video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel. Go to your Google Drive and upload the document there. You can upload the file there and wait until it loads. Once it loads, you go to My Drive and open it with Google Sheets. Once it loads, you have a simple formula. It is equals Google Translate. It will tell you which text you want to translate. This one. Source language. Now source language, you have to use the codes here. Just the language I am using is Arabic, so the code for Arabic is AR, and then I have to give it the target language, and target language is English, which has EN. Now when I press enter, and you can see it has been translated. Now when I drag it down, it will load and everything will be translated. This is the more efficient method or somewhat manual method. If you run into some file that is big enough that website is not doing for free, you can do this by just using this command. Let me explain again. You press equal Google Translate bracket. It is asking you what text you want to translate. I want to translate this one from source language. The language code for Arabic is AR and for English is EN. For example, if you are a French person and you want to translate Arabic to French, I'm not going to put EN. The code for French is FR. Equal, and you can see it is in section 2, travail the expression at the rate. So here you can see if you want to translate to French, translate to Arabic, or as you know, Google has a big library. You can follow the link and description, and you can see that these are the codes of languages that you can use in your formula: Italian, Japanese, Canadian. Just follow the link and look for the code for the language that you want to use, and you can use that accordingly in your formula. You can go to this website. It's quite simple. It's an online document translator. You can just upload your file from here. And here here you can see the translate button. The file is getting ready. The file is getting ready. It will bring you to here. Download your translated document. Some ads because it is a free version, and it will be downloaded like this. And here you can see that it is translated. So most of the time what people are doing for small file translation is that you just copy the text that you want to translate, paste it on here a Google Translate link, and just it will translate all of it. And if the video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.